In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Calendar from Otter.AI. Whether you're looking to tidy up your connected apps or simply need to manage your integrations differently, this guide will walk you through the entire process. In just a few minutes, you'll have your Google Calendar detached from Otter.ai. First, the journey begins with you logging into your Otter.ai account. If you're already familiar with this platform, you probably know that it's quite straightforward. But if not, don't worry. Simply head over to the Otter.ai website, hit the login button, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to get comfortable. Maybe grab a coffee. Being familiar with your dashboard can always be useful. Now, let's direct our attention to the sidebar. Here you'll find various options that allow you to navigate through different settings and features. What you're looking for is the integration section. This acts as a central hub for all the services connected to your Otter.ai account and is key for this operation. After you access the integration section, go ahead and scroll down. You'll see a list of apps that are hooked up to your Otter account. It might feel a bit like rummaging through a drawer of old gadgets, but eventually you'll spot the prize. Google Calendar. It should be right there, nestled among the others, so keep an eye out for it. Once you locate Google Calendar, you'll notice there's a disconnect button just beside it. This is your ticket to freedom, or at least to a more streamlined experience. Go ahead and click that button confidently. This step is crucial as it initiates the disconnection process, so make sure you're ready to proceed before doing so. With the button clicked, a prompt will typically appear asking you to confirm the disconnection. It's a fairly standard procedure, similar to removing an app from your phone. You want to ensure you're not doing it by accident. Review the prompt, and if you're sure about your decision, confirm the disconnection. It's as simple as that. Now, once you've confirmed, Otter will immediately stop syncing any future calendar events from Google Calendar. This means that any changes or updates in your Google Calendar will no longer automatically appear in Otter, giving you control over what stays and what goes in your digital schedule. And there you have it. In mere minutes, you've successfully disconnected Google Calendar from Otter.ai, allowing you to manage your integrations as you see fit. Remember, effective organization is about creating a seamless digital environment that supports productivity without clutter or confusion. If you have any questions or want to reestablish a connection later, you know where to find the settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.